guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Someone's thing. Enogie, the man with Galati, but whatever I say, we are we pray smoke, you know, we bring you one.
My people.
What is young baby you are one? What is so you know, getting up baby you have to Mete who have Galati, and no give my woman Galati, Mete we are work you, Umasati Mugo,
I'm support priceless. For me, I'm against anything domestic violence. In my woman.
Mommy JJ.
I don't like it. Most of the jail were bad, don't get me my uncle.
Okay.
Paragraph 23, 25, 26. And you might know what say. Ubi the gently all the time. You know why you want to me. I will come with a way. No, I deal with start with a priceless. They don't hear the problem they go away. I'm not supporting you because you're a big woman. I cannot support a man that is laying his hand. No matter what, a lot of men get women when they are mad sharp. Not the only you get her. You the 4 people want for social media. Are you not the person who say they know if you can't talk to? You don't know say you will be up with a woman power if you say nobody feel bring that. Or one economic for one to move where to read, he may know where. Enogie. He may tell about a video here I never cost you. Or why you are who you why you wear manao.
Do I want to get
when last year no tell you get a yo. What you're giving way? I ask you, what you're going away? More when the first lesson that I don't have that where. When you call the talk saying only no I was legally married. You know what you married? Not because what you do for a ass. Not because what you do for a ass when you see the baby mama, baby father for Germany. You the young tell they talk. I have a marriage certificate that I can present both home and abroad anywhere I go in this wide world. I have a marriage certificate. You the young not gay. No matter where marriage, no matter my marriage in Nikia, a marriage in now I go settle, tomorrow I go fight.
Okay.
I don't want to be married. Marriage woman, they use market a square woman. Okay. Woman, they use market a square man. I don't want to be married, they don't get me, they ask you.
Okay, when I saw the video.
Now don't be married. Marriage where family member for not represent. Okay. Now only you are your social media influencer last time. Okay. Now don't they call marriage. Okay. Now that kind of marriage I tell you I did when I was. Did I ever tell you? I'm a mother of 3 and good. Are you stupid? Where did they worry the Enogie?
Your passport in my hand.
Yeah, you no more say. We tell you go and walk. Walk is good.
Passport of your
it will make you, even when you walk and go to school, it can give you
paragraph 3.
Social media not they give her. Social media Facebook.
Passport of your
land. People will like you that they tell you the truth. People who doesn't like you will not tell you the truth. They will not tell you the truth. I'm telling you. Go and walk and become a better person for your life.
God bless you.
Because you won't come cause people will talk for you. I'm too big for you to cause Enogie. I'm not your mate.
You.
I'm too big. The fact that me and my God are there for us, we don't get the same level in any area. Government not a feed none of my children. Government not pay altar acts to none of my children. I'm married to an educated person. My husband is an engineer. You hear me? Man, when I'm married to an engineer. Nigeria like be. I'm not born for a young person like you. That's why go beat wife, come and disgrace themselves. I'm too big for that kind of man. I know they do that kind of relationship with anybody. Before I go put this my photo for man, you know say that man water. I know say that man will take care of the king before I go born for you.
That's true. That's true.
If better than make you born for 2 men, 3 men, 4 men.
That's
born for 1 man when they say you born 4 children for her. You don't get why you know where they contributed to the life.
God bless you.
You know they contribute €1 into the life of your children, and are you the wrong man? Are you the find respect?
God bless you.
Your mates now they pay child support. Do you know how much child support are getting for their children? Now your mates. Do you know how much child support that my ex has to pay for the children? Now your mates now you do one. My exes because my children don't get one father. You understand? Do you know how much child support that I'm getting? German government not pay me alter acts. I know because of that I say I can't match somebody for that. But you are disrespectful. The video I did to you, I did not insult you. I never insulted you. I use all the words when you and your wife you say, hey, I still follow presidents what they say, bad or good, even say man they peace for us. We when they work, we work for flagrant end. You know they wash woman yash. You know they wash a day. When not be your mama, not be your sister. What will not young one your head? A nice to support you, a nice to support a priceless. You know go tell them I'm not supporting priceless. One way, even you go where the way problem well at there. No, not tell me say no, the law insults me. Don't say that. Let me play the display for you. You know it will be insults. You not go. You not go to, you say you not go because of social media. I tell you, say from this away come up for Germany, go Italy back. Okay. Or by then you know social media, where I honor with Italy. Go chop a duro. Anybody who won't laugh, you make them laugh. Exactly. If they laugh, they go rest. Exactly. They go rest. If they laugh, they go rest. They go forget. They go chop a duro. You from your duro as they go to us, they change that like that. Una wetu aowa. Ni kama we no gere no ma di o wa se na kinana. Ni no ma di o wa se na kinana. O ya no ba biele o ma e value of men no salo gwa no rekete vio gie. God bless you. E wo wa no sorry. O ko na ka bo etu we yo.
God bless you. A video for now is too unique.
Tell me what thing when you will talk again now. When that person go say
I wake up this afternoon now, please.
Like you again low mentality. Not someone like me that know where I'm going to.
Oh God.
I'm too big for you to talk to.
Oh God.
I'm not your mate.
I beg with you.
Anywhere. I'm not your mate in anywhere. I am working. Even when I'm there as now, they take your picking. I'm not a collect job center. Now, better get that they pay me 60% from my own salary, from my taxes when I pay. Now they collect 60%. Plus the chance of what a fellow man like you, they pay me. Now they pay my bills. If we move, go and pay, go and work. You say no fee. There is a lot of benefit in working. There is a lot of benefit. Yes, those are the passports. See ya. You dey see so. Not the job center. Not be they give these passports. Not the job center. You need to make good use of your time. You can get this. Oh. Make good use of your time, then you get
Enogie.
Make good use of your time, you get it. You get
it. You want this one.
Let me advise you as a friend. Hey, bro, not beat your woman again. Go to school. You come at the rank because you think that you have the view. You have people watching you. A lot of people are not telling you the truth. They are mocking you behind the camera.
Exactly.
Wake up. That if you go back to Mama Nora and shame and disgrace for you.
Exactly.
If you go back to Mama Nora and Enogie, now shame and disgrace for you.
Yeah, clap for her.
Shame and disgrace for you.
Wapo bone, Mommy JJ. Wagume clap for Mommy JJ. It will finish Enogie this afternoon. Make una help me clap for Mommy JJ. Give her a hand of applause. Another one. Oh, baby, I beg you now. Come on.
It's a shame and disgrace for you if you go back to Mama Nora and Enogie.
Okay.
It's going to be a shame and disgrace for you. I don't see no fair get shame. Where can you wait?
EJ, Ogbero.
Where you when that you wait?
Oh, what have you
know?
EJ.
Error. Yeah. So, Alex good.
Oh, what shameless man?
It's okay, yeah. You see children, this is how Europe children be. Say, Mama, don't be loud.
Without
because they don't for us. You know, they like you be shouting every day, disrespecting the children. I'm a smooth that mama don't be because they don't get used to me shouting at home.
Yeah, I will.
What year when you not go where people will pass you, see you come up 25, 95. So now sweat come up for your nyash.
Okay.
Now person, now walk. No, you don't fall from heaven. You don't fall from heaven. I'm married to a man like you that has a dick between his two legs like you. When they pay me bills. When they pay me bills. Not the people matter you, they analyze for social media. People when you they analyze they matter for me that they don't be human being. They get 2 heads. Do you have 2 heads? Are you better than the people you they embarrass all the time? They disgrace all the time for this media. Okay. Are you better? Enogie, are you better than them? Okay. Those people when they ask you, Enogie, why you bring Enogie? Why you bring Enogie? Why you bring Enogie to media? Man, Enogie, do I embarrass the media? Enogie na no wa gugwana. Enogie na ya getting by social media president. No yere na battle no laduku na. Oh, man, no see come ya goma. Iye no ra e kama de wasia e wadia ba duegbe. Since we may like him matter. Me adwa we akebo me like the robi away. One. Nobody dey die for saga. Behave yourself. Now true that I tell you as a friend. I not curse you. I wish you come and tell me, say, hey, mommy, I don't like when you talk to me. And no way dating a marriage in a marriage in anything. A marriage in a pravito is your mentor.
Yo.
A marriage in a get pravito, ya who are busy enough you want.
What? When I come, oh, mommy. You know I'm not tired. I'm your mentor. Mommy, get your rock. Ura to ura gewe moira boy metoge kubagu
Pravito ya o ade de no kiwo Pravito we marriage o man say one week kuna mo na jamwe my people want to get married my people want to marry I don't get it of my marriage because you dey rock it dey rock kete.
Okay.
Why don't we base Pravito? Okay. Why invite na me wo me yo my Pravito me yo o ye no ko wo get question na ko la over respect you rot today o when we will get ya I won't carry on no one night said you never get your phone mail. Imagine 2,500 and before you pay for your bill, you go carry off 6,000.
Okay.
Is that no stupidity?
Then ask me.
You are only God's man. 2,500. You go carry off of 6,000 just to impress people. Just to make people feel that I am this way. The never will wear.
Not a yellow.
It's Japan. How well catch your bomb? A traditional marriage in Wau, you single father, single mother. Traditional marriage in Wau, the Nana way, or my recognize. Who will talk marriage in my do your man of warning, or will not do that one. When they tell we may, or we marriage now. Wait, make I show you the dress when I wear when I did my marriage. Shati, where is my king? Shati, give me that picture give me the picture in my room, the window. That's my picture for my outside. Mama, go into the room. I'm coming, okay? If it's too late for you, go. Give me. Who was there okay? See, now me be this. Forget I can't add weight. Enogie, see, the day when I'm mad, I get the certificate of marriage. Now me be this. They see me. Were they okay? When I say marriage here. Now me be this one Enogie. This is me. This is me Enogie. You hear me? I'm married legally and I can present my certificate of marriage anywhere. Ma pay my bills for years. For marriage and married Tora. He pay my bills.
Share the video.
I was under a man. So shut up. You haven't paid no bill before.
You never use it to buy money.
You never paid bill before. You know why they say they pay bill.
I pay bill.
You don't know how they pay bill.
He doesn't know how to pay bill. He doesn't know how to pay bill.
You don't trust. People that know when they are advising you, hey bro, do this is going to be good for you.
Okay.
Take a little. How many
share
people
this video for me?
Everybody.
I wasn't
even insulting you. I wasn't insulting you. Who's insulting you? The woman no get do so. Now marriage be. And no get now way day marriage now. Now marriage be that. Now marriage be that one. And no get now when I say marriage now. Is that marriage? Marriage will be say man and woman will disgrace themselves. Many a year here, many a year die. Is it not better of a single? Is it not better of a single than to be with somebody? You don't have to tell me about price. The woman can be a priceless in one man.
Okay.
When I hear priceless in one man, can't be with no.
Because I don't see doctor they told this girl.
When I hear where it is priceless in life social media,
I know say yeah, all get from
the priceless matter for back. You know the talk say priceless say na dirty person. Say she don't get it. You know the talk I know give. Two of you are best of the same that flows together. Me we talk to na two no difference. I get why. When I hear it. Just pack away. Pack. Don't insult me. If you come out for me, I will come out with you. Let me be this be where share. Or what they say is okay. No insult me, I don't insult you. All the video that I did not insult you. Now, if a social media president man, I will for year and say you don't go back house. Now I say, Enogie don't go back house. Not you only me 1 year. Not you only me 1 you see a year. Now your godfather Matthew for year and say you don't go back. Only be a go. And not get go, I will not be beat, not be cursed. And not get go to school if you not get working permit. If you don't get permission to work, go to school. Go and get your BI. Me, I have my BI. All my certificates are here. Beyond BIs, I get everything. I have certificates. You went to school. Go and do something. You know what do? You the type person will do you no, don't worry. Facebook they pay. Facebook they pay. What if Facebook money go fit do for you? Or yeah, you tell Facebook now they give you documents. Tell Facebook now say Facebook, I need a German paper. I need a German paragraph 25.
Are you guys hearing me? Let's go for this girl.
Tell her. My dear, is it not better to get 4 baby father than you know you get 4 children for? You don't know the value of the children.
Let's go.
I know some of you are so dark, you don't know. It's better to have baby daddies where they take care of pikin, pay the children bills, pay the children sports. You see all those black children when they say they play ball today. Some of the way they do tennis, you think that they don't grow up now they go meet and from grand. If you don't get better baby daddy that will plan life with you, even if you not be husband again, to plan all those things with you, your children will grow up to be nothing. It's better to have multiple baby fathers that will position their children. They will put them for sports, put them for different things. Say, this like kid will grow up, he grow up to be a better thing. Exactly. Than a baby father where born one, you born up for one man. Nothing to show off.
God bless you.
Now government they take care of the children. Now government they pay bills of the children. Now the man go sit down for us beside the side respect.
God
man
bless you.
They pay bill for
God
me.
bless you.
So that the men are they exchange ways.
God
if
bless
I dey talk to her, you never tell me say because hey babe I dey pay you. Don't talk of you where government they take care of the kid for. You know they contribute €1.
I clap for her. I can't love this.
You know they contribute €1.
You will take flash this truth.
You know they contribute €1 to your children's life.
Yeah, the truth just sweet me.
Yes,
now woman the top so woman.
Take my name out of your mouth. If you don't want me to contribute for your matter, just say, hey, I beg you, matter, I'm not talking about this matter.
You not go visit up now because now social media. They're not gonna wear over. Yeah, baby, young.
I'll back at. They don't insult me.
I hear you what? You're there. You're there. I hear you what now you're being
Nothing. Not do your body again, my dear. It's not there. Nothing. Somebody love you with a ball. Love you with a ball. Your man can not get mission. Who made mission? And you follow that way anyway. Who not make mission for the family? Everywhere follow that way. Everywhere mission. Papa who say what be? Who say
If what you do business, do market, get power, with all this character, we're letting you. What's up for you? And that's the one where now, you look at how good or not there. Hey, show the camera. Now go.
Anybody supporting her, you get son, you get brother, and the one they will do your brother, I go wash pass. Anybody Normally carry the relationship bring this moment.
I bring it on this side.
Not account.
If the mother pregnant me, he hear that they share me. What on listen come on that like, hey, well. He hear that I will not bring it out. Even though now I will push it out.
Yes, I agree to now. Better start why you are if you to know anybody. My lovely Benin people who they watch all this nuisance of Enogie and the wife. I want to say, may God bless you guys. And I want to say, in every nonsense, there's always a sense. I want to quickly chip in some little advice and some little ways. I want to open some people's eyes. Especially when I invite Osawom and see the Manora Enogie, baby mama. First words I'm going to say to Osawom and say here. Osawom and say, if you take Enogie back again as your husband or baby papa, you are finished. That's number one. I want to make an agree. Yes. As what do I mean? Abo wezoji. What do I mean? Abo wezoji. There are some quarrel you can settle. There are some quarrel you don't settle. You understand? If you want to last long, there are some quarrel you don't settle. You see all these predicaments you are passing through today. Also, I'm talking straight to you now. And I give you these words. Put on for speaker, make you don't get the ears in a minute talk. The problem you are passing through today, now the Murphy and his wife plus Precious Meg, now put you for inside. The marriage where you call marriage today is being pushed. You are being pushed by the persuade of Isoken, the Murphy and Precious Meg. And this is where you find yourself. When you do things that is not from your heart, you end up being disgraced publicly. And the reason why you are being disgraced today is because of Isoken. Precious men with their selfish interests. They're not going to like me and I'm going to tell them the truth. And will hit up the truth. And they all know me. And that's why they hate me. And I'm meant to be hated. That will pretend that it is well and when I know it is not well. The predicaments you are passing through today in your so-called useless matrimonial home. There was nothing like matrimonial in your heart. And you know because you know the kind of man you were going out with. You know the beast you have kids for. After my marriage, who pushed you to this is okay and Precious men. For several times and on several occasions, Enogie not carry you to go party. Enogie not showcase you because it doesn't work. You don't want for him to represent to party. You know. If they always go party alone, move out with other girls while keeping you at home. Hello. Let me talk some sense in my brain. My people gonna sit down. I know if I talk so. Now was it Frank? How you tell you didn't have with them? What an elderly man see why sit down. If children crap it go to don't go see him. And they knew and they know. See which thing they talk. na the truth. Even Enogie himself know. Enogie, precious man, is okay. Now they bring this so-called luxury marriage. Today the table has turned around. That's why I love the blow which collects for that marriage. That beats in that day. Because now all of them cause all these things. Who understand me now? Emma. And once I come, I didn't hurt anybody. I will say it the way it is. You might not like the way I say the truth because the truth might haunt you. Or you never expected the truth to be exposed on social media. But me, as far as I know the truth, I will expose the truth. When we no give, marriage or give or you know we are married. It is thought and lay. You have been rejecting Enogie marriage for long. And okay, rejecting a marriage of Enogie. Uma accept. When I sit down, when I share this video, when I hear, Osama say you don't accept Enogie marriage one day. My people, there was a time I came out on social media and I tell you guys, Enogie is planning to get married in April. True or false? It was true. Enogie was planning to get married in April. Enogie called Audion in UK, the elder sister. Daniel, our first daughter, who lives in UK. They are twins. Audion tell Enogie, Civic Enogie called the family for Nigeria. He channeled Enogie to Nigeria because he doesn't want anything to do with Enogie. Because their father did not accept Enogie as his own biological son. The only child they accepted was a wine, who is the junior sister of Enogie. When I share the video, when I sit down, I'm going to flash on her back. On several occasions, Enogie has tried as much as possible to see how he can pay bride price of priceless. Osama say always rejects. Because Osama say knew, he know the kind of person we Enogie be. Now, what's going to happen? Before they know what they happen, before they break everywhere burst, they break from it or knock marriage come and be. While I burst, he had to do the shout. Precious lady, Isoken, and Eddie Murphy. They were the brain behind the marriage. What did they plan? Okay, no, what's okay? Okay, no, what's okay? Okay, no, what's okay? Or where was shook? Or where was shook? I did not do my marriage for competition. I do what makes me happy. And I found my joy, my happiness. I click with her. And that's how it is. And that's what we are today. I did not challenge. I wasn't in challenge with anybody. Nobody did my front. Say I want to meet up with. Even though I'm crippled, now I fall in love with. I cherish her. As such, she give me happiness. So they started persuading this woman for how many days? If I did lie, no someone say come out for that video, cut off the lie. Anything we are lie against her, make she come out cut off say, hey Frank, that's what you talking a lie. Not be sucking precious thing, can they persuade you? No kwe, yes, no kwe ne. Now you go your home, may you go agree, may they go pay your bride price. Osama say never agree one day. After 4 children, they come they beg Osama say, may they go pay our bride price. It's okay now, here. Trying everything possible. Another person who Osama say, they after this woman, the pressure was too much. She said yes. If I go on, I that you feel boy. Enogie. It's so unfortunate. So you jam the wrong driver with the driver, with the pilot your motor. They force this woman, persuade this woman, persuade this woman. This woman has no choice. You can make sure say he convince this woman and so in a precious man. High service helper. All these things were all done for their selfish interests. For their own selfish interest. When I sit down, when I share this video, I go expose them. Let me talk about this man. Don't my drink. I want you. For their selfish interests. They push this woman. Pull this woman. Okay, see. Mama Nora said all this before now. It's not a new thing. Okay. So Mama Nora never talked before. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Why is so can they push them after Mama Nora don't accept? What you come bring another big come out, my people? There's still another problem. What you come bring the problem come out? Precious man chooses to sell the clothes of the marriage. Enogie chooses to sell the clothes of the marriage. Hey, basically, don't say that. Everywhere the boss. Enogie said that he wants to sell clothes. Precious man said that he wants to sell clothes. Now, before you go carry clothes, you separate deposit money for grant. And who get the connection to go to carry clothes? Now it's okay. While I boss too. Okay, now. Osama said not get connection to go carry clothes. Osama said not get raw cash to go Holland. Go back clothes for Hollandics. Why that ho? Osama said not get the connection to go to Holland. Osama said not get cash to go carry marriage clothes. Now, it's okay now get the connection. It's okay now every money come out. Precious man said that he want career. The bargain was not too big. The argument was not so big. Then, it's okay now put Enogie on the tight corner. What was the tight corner? If Enogie no allow she said the marriage closed, she no go come the marriage. They no go participate for anything for the marriage. Mind you, Enogie go rent her. Everything we do was all done by his godfather, Epa Edimofi. I greet you. It was all done by the godfather. Yoga were running. Okay now. When Enogie see as the matter be, Enogie have to plead with precious men to calm down. Oyaba. May Oyaba calm down. Make a social media president who have carried on the selling of the clothes. Now, Precious man got to pinch Enogie. Pin, say, guy, that clothes with this one access to a lot of money deal. So she had to tell you what he wanted to support you for the marriage. Enogie, what's the color? Emily Bay now said, okay, the servants, what they want to use, what they want to use. The whatever gift we want share, you go provide that one. That one are your own vow. They want to give it for marriage. No, because okay, we say, Mommy, thank you very much, man. Thank you.
That is why my grandmother, where's it? Pause will have the marriage, they go shock.
Epala, why go money go many go? And the Murphy try to do adverts for Enogie. Now, the advert that was being done was a scam. Why the hell? For those of you that watch the movie advert, let me first start with Destiny Bagua. Like Enogie everything where what I did, we working. You're my son. Destiny Bagua, my do bon. Destiny Bagua, my do bon. That's the baby you need clothes. Esther, my daughter. Why do you need to come? Why mukbang? See me here. Why do I don't know? Mama, I do see me here. I deceiver. Now he's doing advert for his wife. Collabo with Enogie's marriage for the wife to set clothes. Why that how he did that video, mentioned a lot of things, a lot of people, a lot of dignity women in abroad. Both Holland, Germany, Australia, all over the world. Both Nigeria. He mentioned their names on that video. It was a form. But for those that have wisdom, know what was going on. For those of us that have brain, know the FMT that was going on. For those of us that understand how streets would be played, know the games Enogie and his father was playing. On the mentality of those home and abroad. Then, in Soccer's man, he wants selling the clothes, 100 euros. And that clothes, 3 days ago, that clothes is being bought by 15,000 naira in Alaba International Markets for Lagos. Enogie marriage no price for Lagos is 15,000 naira. It does not worth 20,000 anymore. If you understand, there was a position for 20k then. Then right now, it is now 15,000 naira. The clothes one buy for 100 euros. It is 15,000 naira Nigeria currency. Now, if that clothes be set 100 euros, minus 15k from on this aloe, if you got 100 euro now Nigeria currency, sometimes 100 euro now should be that's let's say convert Nigeria 100 euro to Nigeria now 100 and nearly less than 160 euro or let me say 165 euro because some is 180, some do some exchange 180, some do exchange 175, 170. Let me leave it as 165 euro. Okay, 165, 160. Okay, now let's say 165 euro. Now 165 euro in 100 euro. The cloth you bought in abroad here worth 15,000 naira, and you paid 100 euro, which is 165 naira. Now 165 naira minus 15,000 naira, you now have 150k as benefits. 150k. Please, as you are watching me, do the mathematics. 150k times 50 pieces of clothes that they announced that they've sold. Let's leave the rest. Let's just times 150k times 50 pieces. 7,500,000. That is 7.5 million. 7,500,000. That Isoken, the Murphy wife, has gained on this marriage clothes selling. And these things lead some of the disagreements and the quarrel with the disorder. Because as I analyze that, the thing they shock something for his ass. Even when one do marriage, not get that kind of money. Who say that when you they sell clothes, they use basket, they pack their money, they use their name, they use basket, they pack money, they enter house. And voila for Moswell. Now people wanna sit down, wanna share the video, wanna listen. We see people wanna call godmother, godfather, what the way they use now head they make money for Germany. Mugo. Tomorrow you go say you are investing. You go school, you get sense. You will say you go school, you get sense. You go to fool yourself. You just say you fool intelligent people in abroad. Enogie. Sit down. Look me I do pretty well. Because I remember your mentor according to Mommy JJ, no Mama. Hey Mommy JJ, no Mama. I remember your mentor. I'm also to mentor you because who are. Yeah, I mentor really mentor because of Zuma. Hey we. Oh, you very kimbab. Oh, you very kimbab. You know, I can't kimbab your and now you have 7.5 million. And I could kimbab your echo, you have 7.5 million. When we say, oh, I don't want to go on the master. If I need master, if If my name was where, if when they go organize the party on their own, without they don't call godfather or godmother or godsister. You will come out, you go to talk to men. Men have wisdom. Men with the sit down, they calculate. They program their party. They know how much you want to spend for this party. My money I'm going to spend on this party is not going to be more than 7 million. It's not going to be more than 2 billion. It's not going to make a budget my marriage. So, okay, now the clothes they don't sell them when you're not good at work. Enogie, ebi ya no tie gbe di mofi. No ma o na di mofi yen. Ya do pe so we. That was what we did that fight.
Remind me why.
If you not sick bina, nek banana de, ubina de. Anything.
How do you call police? I be like prison.
We
How do you remember give them why your work? Because you may just see there. Why would you do such a thing? I'm a very best friend of the pastor of this reality. But you're my good big one, I'm a good big one. Back to the people you.
Now, let me go and play some video for a pa and the movie. When my cure you don't
It's shocking, say,
According
You are not kill my children. I love them. Where? If na eat your money for 1 year, you know what you go use and do. You where they give the money to, where you come use and do now. Where you come use and do. Investor, I learn your work.
okay.
No man give your any social media. God bless you for where? For where? For blessing. Where the blessing?
Monica no show blessing.
Children, everybody they get children.
God bless you. Me I get.
Everybody they get. Say now you use your book here.
I was jealousy. She go start a jealous son.
Ure 17 years we are where abortion or waleko.
Your
mighty beat were making noise in your in the key easy for me. Shut up. Shut up. Now let's few people it's not easy for most of you now way if they act for to acquire here when you know here easy. When you know here easy. Omo osaloba wari and everybody. Again then he says son will be barren. For that time, he said, go take. But if you use your own take play at 15 years, that abortion when you do that time, you don't know where you go block. You don't consign me. Joe, now they say na awonya sanya. I can go time awonya sanya. From there, he come to Emily J. From there, he come to Infinity Saga. Wonya Shana From there, come to Infinity Saga. I don't know anything about the man. I don't know nothing. Only you see a moment and talk about because I'm not a I don't know nothing about the man. Say, you know, we go this guy go say, hello, Monica. Na me be neneri, I don't know. When Mugu goes, about Boma say, ya fe no voice social media. When somebody should come for a eye for Facebook, he say he can contact my husband. I don't mind her. Okay,
come dey tell am like say I dey tell person wey really say we don settle, not knowing she was recording. You can even record the
now, my people agree to know. According to many of the things we Monica talk for this video, I love a player. You understand? May God not let you get a husband as a wife. As enemy as a husband. May God, as you as a wife, may God not let you get your enemy as a husband. You as a husband, may God not let you get a wife as an enemy. Oh God, this call will come so they come this part my particular phone. I'm going to pick that call. Me I use this one to call. Supposed to deal with my guide now. If you can't, man, let me call this my doctor. And he come for that section. Doctor. Okay. You don't call here. The great doctor. Dottore. Come stai? Alfa. Vedo, voglio darmi il bene. Lui è pupizzi. Oyana, deas. Water. Alright, let's start about for this show because I'm going somewhere. Okay, now one of us. Now my G then come so get where will they go? I say don't come again. If you feel so you won't come pick me. Very important place we are going to. This I really don't feel come today again. So I will see you guys later. See you guys later. So continue from here later. One of us. I don't understand now. I fancy me on the way I agree. I don't know this man, but no, one understand now. I believe you know that system in New Our Yoko Yaga. Yet Yawu. Man, or Yassi Mobu. Why we never do so? This is what I cried your way. One of my one year, we are so near the war. Here we could be beer. We are late, ya senior, ya good one. Ya show you a young baby on one. What toy I come what good. Master, I fancy when they go why get what your air now, ye are your work. While you are selling you are beer. While you are selling, but you was one. No time to check time or go back. Any man won't give you depression or go hand with depression or black beer. CIA, not let him up inflict sickness in your body. No matter what to inflict sickness in your body, no matter what to make you cry. You are the best person that can celebrate yourself. We are normally wrong for a way boy in Nigeria. That's how many of our mothers died for Nigeria those years because of our father they misused them. Take them like animals. They feel me so. Now they tell me now, oh, we are not marry your God as a woman, no matter your value as a woman. It doesn't want to be your husband. How will be able to we don't make better last check up and have a joy in life. Yes, so a living dog is better than a dead lions. Many of our men look at many of our women for streets. You know, if your mind so that thing and share, you carry with carry you or can you the over, or can for good the month and carry you. What are you do you have a husband for? A guy, if you get back, you know the woman with the young you are a long thing. And my dad, if you be woman, all this your puri dress where they dress, you know, see them born. My guy is bam up, master. The guard job, the all those your things will be they attract bowler, they make bowler to stand. It's very important. When the boy what they want to do, I say like you need a girl, you marry a big guy, mad down on or you dress so you bozo. It can be you where. Oh God! Oh man, understand? Now say you be. Not be say you're going to marry woman if you can't yash down with a shake. Oga, Afa, go market if not to go buy yash. Buy yash for make it thing sweat and yash you like. Man, bombi you like go ahead talk find what you take pump for. Make your own wife make sense to your eyes. Not be say you dey use I not say you no go shop for outside those no man. Cheating is very allowed. You understand? Hey, man, one why are you but mommy no worry. She is the number one of them all. The go of them all. When you want to get on, you know what you can be wappy. Right? All wappy because sign way. My guy, you want dinner again? I will dinner. I don't like you. I go your dinner and put I'm dinner flats. Now you just go the way YouTube. They will have to beat yourself. Or the way YouTube, understand? If they go if you say YouTube, understand? I don't go because I don't go visit please. For example, no, you know what I'm going you I don't boy you. Unless the one also can one marry, maybe not two wife and girls, and the two of them must know themselves. Now three wife, the three of them must know themselves. Now four, the 004 months, they must know themselves and they must be respect. Equal rights. You understand? This bullion for all of it, they're going to the share as normal. So guys, join me later. I'll see you guys then I'm back for now.